Jandareview, and today we're at KZRV here in Shipshewana, Indiana. Now, we're here at the open house and say a special thanks to them for allowing us to do this. Now, today we're going to be looking at a 2025 Venture Sporttrek, model number 301VTQ. Now, we don't have a whole lot of information about this. It may be a new model.
We think this one may be a prototype. Okay.
But I do have the dry weight is 7,690 and that hitch weight is 1,120. So it's
yes, it's pretty good size, and I think you're gonna like some of the stuff on this one because we were excited to see it.
okay.
Right up front, well, here, let's show you what the cap looks like. You got the front windshield here.
And of course, if we find any more information about it, we'll put it in.
Right, we could not find a lot of information about this one, so that's why we're thinking this could be a prototype. They told us that we would see some, so if it is, we're excited about it because we have not seen this floor plan at all. This is going to have the BAL stabilizer system on it. Really nice. It goes with the BAL frame in case you're concerned about frames. Here is one side of your pass-through storage.
And if you look here,
right up here
is your inverter. Yes.
Yes. Your docking station is going to be out here. Here is a dump area. Nice big slide out. Let me see if I can get back where you can see all the graphics on this. Very nice. I like it's very clean looking. There's a yellow pole. Right here is another dump area. This is going to have a ladder on the back, prepped for a backup camera. And you're going to have a hitch down here for an accessory rack. I can't see the weight on it. 250 pounds. So, yeah, great for bicycles and things like that. Here on your campsite. Now this is where you're going to see that there's a thing or two missing, so that's why we're thinking that they're just not quite completed with this one yet, but we still get a little sneak peek. You've got this outside kitchen, nice little mini fridge, your Bluetooth speaker, of course it'll Velcro right back there in that corner. You've got a cooktop, you do have a sink. It's not plumbed through, but I think there's a way to connect a hose to it. Yeah, under there, where it'll drain.
And your quick connect.
Yes.
And your spare tires.
And your spare. It's right under there. Now, this is where the door's missing on this. We know, but look.
So you got a little
You've got a slide out tray. So again, if this is a prototype, I don't know if this will stay or not stay or change, but I hope it stays. I like this a lot.
That is cool.
They do actually give you a TV backer location out here, so if you want to mount a TV outside, you can do that.
Okay, now that's different. They've got the BAL.
The BAL suspension, yeah.
Huh.
Wow.
Wow, that looks a little beefier.
It is beefy looking. All right, well, let's take a look at this other outside storage, and then we'll go inside. I cannot wait to show you guys this floor plan. It's just awesome. It is prepped for a tire link here, so you do have your lights on the inside. So here we go. And again, KZ was so nice to let us come to their open house and video these brand new 2025 models. Y'all.
Look at this couch.
Look at that. How awesome is all of this? I'm not even sure where to start in here.
Not really in this one. I mean, I've got stuff here behind me.
Because we have not seen this floor plan, so we really like it. Yeah, coming in the door, you've got these great hooks for your jackets, leashes.
30 amp solar controller.
Yeah, all right up there where you can easily access it.
Okay.
Yeah, super, super nice pantry. More hooks in here.
And more hooks over here.
They're just everywhere.
There you go.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, we'll just start here with the entertainment center. That's what I'm pointing at.
Another one of these.
Yeah, nice size
50-inch TVs.
TVs, sound bar there, storage there, and I always love seeing these electric fireplaces because they really, really do come in handy in those cooler days.
Yes, they do.
You are going to have heating in the floor in this one.
Going to show the fridge here.
Yep, 12-volt compressor fridge with a
Big
huge drawer. Y'all, this is just pots and pans would go down there. If you travel with pets, you can put all your pet food down there.
Little microwave.
Range hood, 3-burner cooktop with an oven. And like always, we love to point out that they give you these cutting boards.
Yes.
So
Venture's really good.
yeah, really nice.
These are really nice too.
And they're pretty thick.
Yeah.
So you've got all this great storage across the top here. Really nice. Okay. Now, this particular model does not have solid surface countertops, but the countertops are really, really well done. Nice big sink, high-rise faucet, great storage. And
That's where that slide
yeah, that's
tray
where your
is.
slide tray is. So again, you can see that it's not quite completed. Should be a door out there, but very nice. Good size doors. And this is, yeah, that's a little area there for sponges or small bottles. Okay, I just like that. All right, now let's show you this huge, huge couch.
Wow.
I can't back up far enough to get all of this couch in.
This is amazing.
We don't even know how it works.
Uh-oh. We got something here. But
Ah!
oh my gosh. No way.
Yeah. Wow. Love that. Okay, you see that it does have a couple of little holes here, so somewhere there is a table that you can put in it. So
there's one on the other side.
okay.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. I'm sure this has got to make a sleeper somehow. We're just
I'm not going to.
we're just not really sure
try
how.
that. But I will open this.
But it is awesome. You've got some nice storage across the top up here.
Light switch.
Light switch for your slide. Oh wow, okay, I'm still just fascinated over this huge sofa. I love it.
Oh.
Okay.
It does sit really good too.
It's not quite lunchtime yet, so
Okay.
we gotta keep moving.
Let's go in this room.
This is gonna have a bunk room. This is just super nice back here. So yeah, you got a hanging area, and then you got some storage down here. And guys, look at all of this storage underneath this bottom bunk. I mean, you can just put the big storage totes under here.
Wow.
You know, if you wanted to, you could get a small mattress and have a third bunk. These are full-size bunks.
These are huge.
They are huge. And so you get 2 of them. Got a USB right up here with the light.
This one right here will fold up.
Yeah, and it will fold up. So if you don't need the top one, you can get it out of the way. You have another USB here. Wow, and there's power down here. Wow. These are just really nice.
These are really huge.
They are. Right up here is where you're going to add your extra TV back here if you want it. I don't quite see the weight limit on this.
Right there on the door.
Oh, let me turn around. So yeah, 500 pounds. 500 pounds. So hey, if you could get a couple of adults up here.
Okay, I'm just going to say, they got some lights in here.
They do. Their lighting package in here is just amazing. And it's like I said, we are inside a building, so for it to be lit up this well is just great. All right. Let's show you guys the bathroom.
Oh.
It's going to be dual entry. And this has got a corner shower.
Yeah.
For reference, Jeremy's 6 feet tall. I don't think you have any problems up there at
No
all.
problems at all.
Yeah, and it's got a bit of a step up, but it's not horrible. Medicine cabinet up here does have a mirror. Nice big sink, and you got a little bit of storage under that. Your water heater control is going to be in here along with a plug-in. Up here they give you this neat little shelf unit. I just love this. So you can put things up at the top, roll your towels up in there, and it even has some hooks down here. And you told me what this Level Mate Pro is, but for the life of me, I don't know what it does. Okay,
when you back into a campsite, if you have the Level Mate Pro, and I think it's a app on your phone, it goes with this. I'm not, if I'm not mistaken.
We don't have one, so we don't know.
When you back up, it will go ahead and tell you exactly if you're level. So if you're not, you can back up just maybe a tad, and you'll be level.
Yeah, unlike us, we have to get out with a level and see if it works.
Yeah.
Anyway, does have this neat little night light here. Your foot flush toilet's at an angle, so you got plenty of leg room down here. All right, he's going to go directly into the bedroom. I'm going to come around here and go in this way. So this is going to have hanging on both sides. You've got storage across the top, and this is going to have a second AC in this one. Here's hanging over here on this side. This has got a queen size bed, north-south bed. And
it has a magnet to hold it.
Well, good, because then it won't hit you in the head.
Yep.
All right, and see. You got power on this side, and then this side is going to have power and USB. Right above his head up there in the corner is where the TV is going to go. Nice big underbed storage in here. Wow.
There's your table.
Yeah, table is in here.
There's
and
your table.
You also get an inflatable. Okay, not sure.
Okay, air mattress.
Yeah, there's an air mattress in this one. Not sure why, but
it's USB powered.
Okay, everything is USB powered now.
Okay.
Okay, well, let's see. Finishing out in here, there's your AC control, light control. In here, light control, light switch.
Light switch.
That's what that is. All right. Okay, y'all. We are just loving this big sofa here.
All right, everybody. We hope you enjoyed the tour of this Sporttrek, and big thanks to KZRV for allowing us to be here at the open house. Again, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.